Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos on your Motorola Moto G23. And to do this, you will need to open the camera app, then go and click in photo mode on this plant right here. That's a macro mode enabled. Now we can lift our phone, pick the object that we want to take a macro photo of, hold it about 3 to 5 centimeters from that object, and then make sure it's in the focus. You can also adjust the exposure, and then click on the shutter. And that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.